Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. From other assets to Bitcoin will intensify. The world's richest man joked that the response of one of Permable wasn't entirely unpredictable. After the U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, spiked 7.9% from a year ago, the highest level in more than 40 years, Musk took to Twitter to ask his followers about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus also made fun of Saylor's hyperbolic Bitcoin shilling. The centibillionaire himself recommended his followers to own physical things or stocks in those companies that produce high-quality products. The case is also increasingly tilting in Ripple's favor going by the latest rulings. Last week, presiding judge Analisa Torres ruled to deny the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. The ruling opens the door for Ripple to argue that the SEC failed to warn the firm of wrongdoing before it filed a lawsuit. And second news today about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge seat boost in Ukraine as President Zelensky legalizes crypto. The Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine has officially confirmed the legalization of the crypto sector by Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin donations to the country soar past $100 million. Ukraine's Parliament Verkhovna Rada passed the law that legalized digital assets, including crypto, last month. President Zelensky has now signed the law on virtual assets, thus fulfilling the final requirement for establishing the legal status of cryptocurrencies in the country. The law enables Ukrainian and foreign crypto exchanges to operate legally in the country. Closer government's monitoring of their activities will be introduced to provide additional guarantees to their clients. In addition, new taxation regulations will allow Ukraine's government to obtain a stable flow of tax revenues, contributing to higher financial resilience. The law also allows banks and other financial institutions to open accounts for crypto companies, resulting in the better integration of traditional financial and cryptocurrency operations. Ukraine's official. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. And second news today about anti-vax mandate. Truckers have raised $700K in Bitcoin and have Elon Musk's support. The Freedom Convoy of Canadian truckers in Ottawa has raised nearly 16 Bitcoin, roughly $700,000, from 4,877 donors after their GoFundMe donations were blocked. The group even has garnered support from Elon Musk via Twitter, who believes crypto cannot be stopped. In late January, Musk also tweeted, "Canadian truckers rule." The trucker convoy in Ottawa making international headlines was formed in opposition to nationwide vaccination mandates on truckers re-entering Canada from the United States. It has since evolved to object to all COVID-19 health restrictions, spawning similar protests throughout Canada. Ottawa police are attempting to rein in the convoy over concerns of their trucks blockading city streets and interfering with local businesses. Law enforcement also collaborated with crowdsourcing platform GoFundMe to block $10 million in donations initially directed toward the convoy's organizers. That action struck a bad chord with some Canadian Bitcoiners opposed to both financial censorship and the COVID restrictions. Canadian truckers turned to Bitcoin in response to the GoFundMe blockade. BTC Sessions, a crypto YouTuber from Calgary, started a fundraiser for the protest using the Bitcoin native crowdfunding platform Talacoin. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment network, it makes it harder for governments to prevent users from sending money to certain causes. "Thank you truckers," said one anonymous donor of $87.99 in Bitcoin. "You have made me proud to be Canadian again." Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market.